Good morning. Good morning from Santa Cruz, California, over here enjoying my coffee for the morning in my crow's nest birthday cup. This is not from this year. I just had a birthday last month. And I did get a new cup, but this is one of my older ones. You go in this restaurant, and if you tell them it's your birthday, they sing to you and give you a coffee cup. It's a great restaurant for fresh caught fish from the bay and great food and great people. And they have live music on the weekends, or actually throughout the week. If you're ever in Santa Cruz, check it out. Anyway, not sponsor or anything, just I love the restaurant. I got some great mail, so I wanted to share it with you. This merch that I got. And so I'm just hanging out in my robe. Just woke up. Look at all that. I figure if the other van lifers can do that, so can I. So here is my fun mail that I got, see, from Van City Van Life. I got my sticker packet. Let's see, we have Cruisy, and Weirdos Unite, and I got some to give away. I got 2 of those. And Van Life, because normal life sucks. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that on here. Van Life, that's what the sticker says, because, yeah. And 2 of these. Yeah. Weirdo Army. So thank you to Chrome and Van City Van Life for the stickers. Just wanted to share that with everyone. If you haven't seen his channel and you like the all decked out adventure rigs, he's got one of those. You should check it out. He's up in Canada. He goes on some pretty cool trips. I've been enjoying them. And his girlfriend Emmy, cat van lady, Jeffy Bear, Joseph, and Van Life Plus, and Brent's Van Life. Those are pretty cool people to follow. They're pretty interesting, their rigs and their adventures. Anyway, if you continue to check out my channel, I've got some other videos, some helpful, some just fun, some just cute animals doing cute things, and I would appreciate the support. Thank you if you already are a subscriber, and thank you to those of you that decide to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.